So in the past few days, I made this and some more Iman Gadzhi style of animation, and this one adjustment layer just saved me a lot of time. And trust me, whatever editing you are doing, even if you are editing text, maybe animations, or maybe you are just using stock footages like animated stock footages, this adjustment layer will give you that Iman Gadzhi look. So in this tutorial, we will learn how we can make this adjustment layer and we can, get that Iman Gadzhi look in just couple of seconds. So let's get into it. So yeah, as you can see, we have this normal scene setup. It's just a normal scene setup, nothing else, a normal animation, the ground, background and everything. And you can see right now we are not getting that Iman Gadzhi look, that low FPS and that turbulence displays look, whatever it's called, like, yeah, I don't know that. So yeah. So basically with one adjustment layer, let me create one adjustment layer first. So let me just increase this size. Yeah. Now we will add turbulence displays. Wait. We will add turbulence displays. We will add posterize time. Yeah. And set this to 14, I guess. Set this to 2. Set this to 20. And here's the main part. Just go to the evolution option. Hold Alt and click the stopwatch icon. Yeah. So now write random 4 and okay, we have to add one more thing, posterize time, which will be 8, I guess. Yeah, 8 is fine. So now as you can see right now, I'm not getting that intense look into it. So what I'll do, I'll just duplicate this turbulent displays, not turbulence, it's turbulent displays. Turbulent. Just duplicate it, make it 4, and yeah, make it 4 and you are done basically. We can make it 8 also, or 6, like if you want some like intense look, we can also make this 6, which will give a little more that look, if you can see. Yeah. So now as you can see, we have we added 220, 620 and frame rate at 14 FPS. So yeah, that's it. This adjustment layer will give you that Iman Gadzhi look. As you can see, we are getting that wavy and low frame rate look into this scene also. And if I turn this off, like you can see the difference. Wait. If I turn this off, you can see the difference. It's normal. But as soon as I turn this on, it just changes. Yeah. So yeah, it's that simple. I will just provide the adjustment layer in the description, basically the After Effects file, and you can download it and copy and paste the adjustment layer wherever you want. Even if you are in text or maybe animations or maybe stock footages. Like not stock footages actually, basically some stock footages have animations, so it gives that look, So yeah, it's very simple, it's very easy, and just follow me on Instagram, which is thefomostudio, and I'll see you soon. Bye.